Ladies and gents, boys and girls, I have a new product here made by Burndown Garage, Dane Thompson, Burndown Garage on YouTube. He also works for War Performance, and Dane has come up with this lovely, what do you want to call it, fan shroud for a brushless Silverado fan. And I believe you can buy the shroud or the shroud with the fan from them in some sort of combinations. I don't know all the rules. I'm just here to, you know, read the game. So right here, they sent me Silverado PWM fan pigtail wiring kit, and it plugs into this guy right here, right there. And it even comes with a nice instruction sheet, and it tells you the part numbers. It even has color, boys, color. And then it has instructions on who to contact and what the wire is, and it explains what PWM signals are and how to mount it. You know, it has a certain amount of space it needs to be off of the thing and blah, blah, blah. But yes, I hear these are an absolute beast. They are brushless fans. They flow some insane amount. I know the people that have integrated these into their setup cannot believe the cooling power that they have, but if you can imagine like a 17 Silverado, they only usually make stuff better and better. Look at that Bosch, real Bosch part, wow. I would like to have Thomas, my fab guy, my friend, build a cookie sheet for my Fairmont, and then I want to use this on my Fairmont. So I don't have any, I can't use it immediately, which kind of makes me a little bit sad, but I do want to have it nicely done by Thomas and then put the whole cookie sheet shroud into the Fairmont. I have the V6 fan out of my Mustang before I did the swap. If you can follow that. I'm sorry, it's difficult. I think he even sells the kit where you can weld it together yourself. Don't ask me too much. He has many videos about this. They are fantastic. There's another guy, and his name escapes me right now, who did entire testing and mounting and everything you can think of. Also, the very neat thing about these brushless fans is they have auto soft start built in. So if you smack this thing with 100%, it doesn't go to 100% and draw 75 amps. The controller in there will slowly bring the fan up. And I think I heard Dane mention like it yanks like 20 amps of a maximum, and then as it gets to the speed you want, it can kind of fall down to 10 or 15 amps max. So it never does that huge smack on your electrical system, which is also fantastic. So I will link down below, or tell you, if I don't, punch me in the face through the comments, for the man that tested everything. And if you go to Burndown on YouTube, you will see all of Dane's videos on this. He's made a few recently because of this product development and more. And he actually uploaded one today that they're sold out. He completely sold out of everything. That's fantastic to hear. So I hope everybody supports Dane and War Performance for a good product. And if you have a cooling issue and you're running $11 eBay fans, maybe you should just jump right to this, because this is the baddest stuff you can get.